Hey YouTube, today I'm going to talk about this work tough impact wrench. Before I talk about this, let me comment on Ukraine. I have a lot of views from Ukraine and Russia, and actually one of my first subscribers who still comments up until last week is from Ukraine. And I am very worried about him, and I hope he is safe. He is okay. He loves the Milwaukee impact wrenches, but they can't really get them too easy in Ukraine. They're so expensive. Maybe we'll have to send him one uh, if you're watching Milwaukee. And I hope he's doing okay. So what I've done is I set up the charity. You can set up charity settings in the YouTube, and I've set my whole channel up. Every single video is linking to Doctors Without Borders. They are on the ground right now in Ukraine helping with medical supplies, and they are doctors. They're charity. They usually go to places with wars and unstable political situations and help out and whatever they can assist with the local public. That seemed like a good charity to pick, so that's what I've done. Now, I don't really get a lot of support on my YouTube channel, so I don't really expect anyone to donate, but it seems like it is the right thing to do to link that up. So check it out if you can. Now, and hopefully that situation resolves without any more conflict. So let's talk about this Work Tough impact wrench. This thing is from Amazon. You're going to see it's reading quite a bit lower than what's listed in the listing. I'm going to tell you up front, it is big, it's bulky, it is brushed, and it is, I think, I can't recommend it. That's basically, here's what I can recommend it for if you really want to try it. If you got lug nuts and you torque them yourself, like 70 to 80 foot-pounds, using a torque wrench, this will handle it. If you're buying this to do axle nuts, or you think you're going to pull off a crank pulley, this thing is not going to handle it. It is quite weak. All right. You'll see the lug nuts in the video. Now, if you're buying this just to do random lug nuts like customer cars or something like that, there is Odyssey in the video. I've never touched the lug nut. I don't know who put it on. Could have been put on with impact, not torqued, whatever. This thing, it is not going to do it. All right. There's no point even like keeping it on the lug nut any longer. It's just not going to do it. So that's what it is. I'm just telling you up front. So can't recommend it for most jobs. Torqued lug nuts, I can recommend. Under 100 foot-pounds. Anything over 100 foot-pounds, I would not recommend this impact wrench. Other than that, check out the clips and like, comment, and subscribe.